big threat to Congress in Maharashtra. Now, according to the information coming in, 7 to 8 more MLAs could follow Ashok Chavan. That's what we're given to understand. And Arunil is with us on the broadcast. Arunil, are there more MLAs who will join the BJP camp, who will follow Ashok Chavan?
Well, certainly yes, Swati. 6 to 7 MLAs from Marathwada, 2 MLAs from Nanded only, the bastion of Ashok Chavan. These 6 to 7 MLAs who basically have a direct relation with the former CM of Maharashtra, Ashok Chavan, who basically were victorious because of the clout that Ashok Chavan holds in the Marathwada region. They will be expected to follow in the footsteps of Mr. Ashok Chavan. Basically, this will give a massive boost to the BJP in the Marathwada region as well as in the Vidarbha region where these MLAs hold clout. But more importantly, it will help the BJP to win the 6th Rajya Sabha seat, which the Congress was confident about winning because they had the numbers with them. But if around 7 to 8 MLAs Congress loses and they come towards the BJP side, then it becomes a very precarious situation for the Congress party as well. Yesterday evening, the Congress central leadership held a meeting in Delhi regarding this, how to solve this situation and how to save the MLAs from going with Ashok Chavan and how to save that one Rajya Sabha seat as well.
All right, Arunil, thank you very much for getting us the details. So Ashok Chavan likely to join BJP at around 12. That's what we're given to understand. Now, there is speculation that 7 to 8 more MLAs could join Ashok Chavan. They could follow suit.